我该如何存在？多少人走着，却困在原地；多少人活着，却如同死去；多少人爱着，却好似分离；多少人笑着，却满含泪滴。谁知道我们该去向何处？谁明白生命已变为何物？是否就该借口继续苟活？或是展翅高飞，保持愤怒？我该如何存在？多少次动摇，却感觉沉默；多少次忘记，却被手痛触摸；多少次幸福，却陷入。 何存在？多少人走着，却困在原地；多少人活着，却如同死去；多少人爱着，却好似分离；多少人笑着，
换一下不就好了吗？一样的。
却满含泪滴。谁知
一样的，你问一下他们，我又没有拿那个平台。
该去向何处？谁明白生命已变为何物？是否就该借口继续苟活？或是展翅高飞，保持愤怒？我该如何存在？多少次动摇，却感觉沉入；多少次放弃，却备受痛楚；多少次幸福，却陷入倒桥；多少次灿烂，却失魂落魄。谁知道我们该梦归何处？谁明白曾经你们为何物？是否勇敢前行，经过走了？或是勇敢前行，认错了我该如何存在？谁知道我们该去向何处？谁明白生命已变为何物？是否找个借口就继续苟活？或是展翅高飞，保持愤怒？我该如何存在？多少人走着，却困在原地；多少人活着，却如同死去；多少人爱着，却好似分离；多少人笑着，却满含泪滴。 该如何存在？多少次动摇，却感觉沉入；多少次放弃，却备受痛楚；多少次幸福，却陷入倒桥；多少次灿烂，却失魂落魄。谁知道我们该梦归何处？谁明白曾经你们为何物？是否勇敢前行，经过走了？或是勇敢前行，挣脱了我，我该如何存在？谁知道我们该去向何处？谁明白生命已变为何物？是否找个借口，就继续生活？或是人生高飞，保持着呢？我该如何存在？多少人走着，却困在原地；多少人活着，却如同死去；多少人爱着，却好似分离；多少人笑着，却满含泪滴。谁知道我们该去向何处？谁明白生命已变为何物？是否就该借口继续苟活？或是展翅高飞，保持愤怒？我该如何存在？多少次动摇，却感觉沉入；多少次放弃，却备受痛楚；多少次幸福，却陷入倒桥；多少次灿烂，却失魂落魄。谁知道我们该梦归何处？谁明白曾经你们为何物？是 我该如何存在？多少人走着，却困在原地；多少人活着，却如同死去；多少人爱着，却好似分离；多少人笑着，却满含泪滴。谁知道我们该去向何处？谁明白生命已变为何物？是否就该借口继续苟活？或是展翅高飞，保持愤怒？我该如何存在？多少次动摇，却感觉沉入；多少次放弃，却备受痛楚；多少次幸福，却陷入倒桥；多少次灿烂，却失魂落魄。谁知道我们该梦归何处？谁明白曾经你们为何物？是否勇敢前行，经过骤凉？或是勇敢前行，挣脱了我，我该如何存在？谁知道我们该去向何处？谁明白生命已变为何物？
变为何物？Report。Hello, hello. Hello. Okay, hello, hello. Hello, hello. 等一下吧，等一下。Pause recording. Okay, good. Share my all screen. Share screen now. Okay. Hello. Hello, can you hear me? Thank you, Wang. So hello, dear Homely members and investors. Welcome to my live This is a weekend. How's your weekend? So last 2 days. Yeah, happy Sunday. From Jean, Jean Stone. We are homely stone. Okay, Jean Stone. You know what is homely stone? Homely stone is like it's kind of we have a heart. It's like a stone to promote this how to say homeless philosophy to all the investors globally. Not only in China, but yeah, you know, in Singapore, in Malaysia, right? So to show this one, so actually homely cha also have another name, homely stone. Okay, so happy to see you and happy holidays to all of you. And this is MG from Homely Chat. So this is weekend version. Okay, it's weekend version of share diagnosis. If you're the first time to watch my live, I can give a brief introduction. Actually, every trading day around 1 p.m., I will share a trading, how to say, trading day share diagnosis, to diagnosis your share, to also share some brief summary of the market. Yeah, brief summary of the market. And but weekend we also have a weekend is Sunday, so now I have my weekend version. But actually also because tomorrow I will take a leave. Okay, I will take an off day. So tomorrow we will not have the trading day live. That's also why I will open today's live. Okay, today's live for you in the weekend. And if you're the first time to watch my live, here's the way you can send analysis your share. You send your share code number and your entry price and your trading cycle. Trading cycle means that you trade short term or medium term or long term together in the comments, or you can just WhatsApp me. Okay, WhatsApp me, then I can diagnosis for you during the live or after the live. If you WhatsApp me, here's the WhatsApp number 011-1652792. And the next week, actually, I'm planning to open two live in the 1 p.m. YouTube one. I still remain, but at the night I want to open a YouTube, Facebook live. How do you think? How do you think? Thank you, Lucas. Thank you. Yeah, so happy to have all of you here. So we have 50 members and investors online. So thank you. Okay, how do you think we open another Facebook? Because recently a lot of Facebook investors, they are kind of add me and want to do this analysis in my page. Okay, my page I can also show you for a while. Mm, my page is around, my page is a homely chart daily analysis before I do this one. This one is my page. So from next Tuesday, I will open this Facebook one to you. Okay, to you live on here. So if you want to also attend the YouTube, the Facebook one, you can add my page, Homely Chat Technical Analysis. Only this name, Homely Chat Technical Analysis. This is my page. Didn't do a lot before, but later on we'll also put some videos here and some live. So later on next week, I will open the live at the night, okay, around 8:30 English one. Thanks for your support. And if you, of course, my YouTube one still here, okay? My YouTube one still here. But want to say apologize that today my computer have a little bit problem, so I cannot show the focus to you. But I think it will not big influence. No problem. Yeah, here's the way. Here's the way you can send your WhatsApp, send your share code number and your price and the trading period. Okay, before we start, okay, we take a look about the calendar because as I write it here, okay, as I write it here, today's topic is the market drop, right? The KLC, the US drop 2 days, and Malaysia stocks also become weak. Okay, Malaysia stocks also become weak. So still have many investors confused between the average down and sell off, or we say cut loss. Okay, is it time to average down or cut loss? Very important. If you cannot see the trend clearly, then it's a problem. Okay, so we can take a look about this Dow Jones first, no problem. And we know that last 2 days, okay, of Dow Jones and US shares are correct sell off, heavy sell off. So you can see if I put it, I always like to put this rainbow and this MCD here. Because according to the rainbow, homely rainbow, your homely survey, you can always know the movement details in different time period. So you can see this Dow Jones 2 days drop if we calculate. So last Friday is slightly 0.5%. Thursday have 2.7%, totally 3.3% plus drop. So it's kind of a big drop compared to before if you see the previous drop, right? But one thing we need to learn to recognize the trend. Is it really changed the direction? So here we can focus before we share the trend line. We just draw the trend line. This is suitable for those investors basic have some basic of charting things, but we still have a lot of investors don't know how to join the trend line. But if you know how to join the trend line, just join, and you see 2 days. Last Friday is breakdown, but it closed. It's kind of 1 day a little bit breakdown. Okay, 1 day little bit breakdown. Double confirm with this profitable effect. The red chips is the profitable effect of the whole US market. So also decreased to 32%, but no retailers, no green retailer. This green means they are lose negative affection or like that. People who lose money are the affection. So so far it's still correction. The trend haven't, okay, compared to before is deeper. Okay, the correction is deeper, but cannot say breakdown. What is the breakdown? The uptrend. Okay, what is the breakdown of the uptrend? So you see KLCI. I have to do this. Although I also don't want the market drop, but it happens. We can only listen to the market. So this is the KLCI. Okay, KLCI. You see, this day already break down. Okay, I will draw clearly. You just draw a line. So you can see this day already break down, right? Already break down. If we draw another line, so you can see also drop, right? Also drop. So few days already, and basically it's kind of time to rebound. Okay, time to rebound. If we can take a look about this one. There is a dotted line here. Dotted line is the 1/4 of the price drop from the low point to high point is 1/4 correction area. So generally, it will also get some rebound. The KLCI already come to the rebound area because it dropped uptrend already actually. So my topic today is like the US kind of sell off, okay, but the market, the Malaysian market already become weak. That's why, because US one still get support by the uptrend line, but KLCI already confirmed break down this medium term uptrend line, so already become weak. So be careful to do the average down in the Malaysian market. Most of you need to cut loss. Okay, most of you need to cut loss. Later on, when I diagnosis the share, then can explain for you in details. And before, I have also have the similar video in my life. I just checked August 10. Okay, August 10. I also have my life week colors average down when share stop. So if you're interested, you can also WhatsApp me. Then I can send to you the link. Okay. If you missed that one, if you missed that video, I will also show you in details. Okay, let's go back to this chart. Okay, this chart. So you see the KLCR already break down, but next week maybe we got rebound by this dotted line. Last time breakdown, you see, 3 days later, can cover back. So we also need 3 days to break down. But this uptrend line already break down for 3 more days. Of course, drop already. But this time, okay, you also cover back. But we see to tomorrow, the Tuesday, will cover back or not. Okay, then we go back to the Dow Jones. Dow Jones is still haven't break up successfully, right? Haven't break up successfully. Need another 2 days to confirm. So next Monday, the Dow Jones will, no, this one, this is a comprehensive. We use the industries, okay, industries, DOW, industries, Dow Jones. So if we use the Dow Jones, and we know that Monday the market will take off. We're off, so we need to see Tuesday and Wednesday, right? Tuesday and Wednesday, what happened in the US one, and then we take a look at the Nasdaq. Nasdaq is like this. Okay, Nasdaq we also can draw a line. So one more thing, once again, the condition of average down, okay, is the shares still in uptrend, okay, still in uptrend. So we draw a line of the Nasdaq. So also 1 day drop, okay, 1 day drop, but still cannot confirm. Need another day, another 2 days, to see another 2 days or 3% to confirm whether it can cover back. But actually, last Friday already cover back. I think after 10:45, okay, after 10:45 in Malaysia time is around 12 o'clock. Then the market bounce back, very strong bounce back. In the first 2 hours, the market dropped a lot, right? Drop a lot, and later on bounce back strongly. So you see there is a big long long shadow there. Means that the long funds, the long side defend it back. Okay, defend it back. Yvonne, why tomorrow? Tomorrow is our holiday, homeless holiday. Thank you. So you see 1 day, okay, already strong, defended back. If next Tuesday and Wednesday can cover back, then that's sure fine, okay, because one candle say break down the uptrend. Of course, for short-term traders should be careful, and most of them is kind of drop a lot. For example, Tesla. Tesla, after the bonus issue, after the stock splits, it's kind of drop, right? It's kind of drop. So we can draw the line. It's still far away from the uptrend line. So you see, compared to before correction, it's still very safe one, right? 3 days drop and then rebound last Friday, and then the banker chips is still around 66%. We always need the banker chips to double confirm the trend. For example, some of the trend you see before. This is also uptrend. This is also rally. This is also rally. But which one is stronger? Of course, this one is stronger. After you confirmed with the capital, capital can always double confirm is the strong uptrend or very short-term chance, short-term rebound chance. So this is the important standard to determine whether your shares is a strong share or can continue to strong or not. So it's very important for us to check this MCD. If you're the first time to watch my live, I can show you where is the one? I can show you the introduction of this one, introduction of this MCD, no problem, because it's a very strong, it's a very important element for us to determine or to choose a share is stronger or not. Okay, so this is the MCD. Okay, this one 31. Okay, this MCD, right? The red one is always the big players, the market players, market makers of the share. No matter in US market or Malaysia market, this is very important for us to check, double confirm. At least you are not an ordinary investor, only check the price. Now is the time for us to confirm with the big players. Where's the bankers? Where we are, right? Because they leading the strong shares. Okay, Okay, very important. So this is a Tesla. Okay, and of course we can check your shares now, no problem. Okay, no problem. But one more thing, let's get back to the KLCI. KLCI have might have a short-term strong have short-term rebound, but we know it's just a rebound, so means that not easy, not to average down easily. If you have chasing high in this area, then later on it have rebound. When the rebound finish, it's your time to run. Okay, it's your time to run. And some people just want to buy more when the price drop. Okay, that is average down. Yes, you're right, but it's not a safe one. If this drop already break down this uptrend, okay, it's not very safe. So be careful about this one. It's kind of a gambling. Okay, kind of gambling. If you know, sorry. So this one, right? But if you know it's kind of here, this drop is very safe in uptrend, then you can average down, no problem. Although it's aggressive one, but it's, you know, it's strong market. But now market become weak. If you then continue to average down, then it's kind of a gambling. Okay, when we talk about here, let's take a look about this calendar of Malaysia, because recently, yeah, this one also kind of worked. Hmm? How to see? Okay, this one. September one. September. Tomorrow we are not no life, but tomorrow have a turning point for short term. Short term. This one for short term. Okay, for short term turning point. Be careful. Yeah, because we know what Monday and the Tuesday is very critical day to confirm what? Confirm how big of this rebound. We just say we have what now the price is get supported by dotted line, right? One fourth correction of this medium term from March 18 till the high point July, I think, right? July. So these 2 days determines whether the rebound can continue or just drop directly. So very important for us to do. And the Wednesday have another point. Okay, Wednesday have another turning point is fixed turning point. Is fixed turning point. Okay, fixed turning point. So next week have 2 days. Have 2 days, 2 times turning points. Be careful about this one. Okay. Before last time is the September 1st, and then okay, but if the market goes to critical area and also have this turning point, so be careful. Okay, be careful about this one. No matter you have strong share, but if the whole market become weak, then you also should be careful. Mean that if your strong share have some correction, can consider to reduce some portion, because the safety always the number one. Okay, always number one. You will be safe, and then you can go to next round. Okay. Now we can go to diagnosis your share. So from hold on. Now, again, another way, another time to remind you, you can share your code number and entry price to trading periods to 0111652762. Can also leave in the comment, no problem. Yes, please put the right form. I will choose the right form. Each investor, okay, each of you can dialysis one share. If you want to dialysis more, please share this video to your live. Thank you very much. Okay, so Lucas, please put the right form. You put the 0179. Okay, considering you are number one. Okay, I will dialysis for you first. Otherwise, it's not the right form. I don't want to dialysis. Okay. You put the right form because you didn't add the trading form, okay? The trading period. So what's your trading cycle? Short term or long term, like that, okay? Like that. Or later on you add already, thank you. Short term, wanna cut loss already? Wanna cut loss already? Okay, let us check for you. Maybe in the daily chart first also can. Yeah, Homeless Software have two version. The PC version is end of day version, and we also have a PC real-time version to some short terms. Okay, 0179. Okay, Biofa, right? And what is the entry price? Entry price is I don't know. You do short term. I guess you just enter around this area, maybe this top, because you would say cut loss. Okay, cut loss. So I guess you're just chasing high a little bit recently. So we see this whole share is kind of um okay, in the long term, this is a monthly chart. Long term first, short term next. You can always know where you are and whether there is a strong resistance in the future or how big of your profit space. Very important. So this monthly chart, we can see if I put my mouse in the previous high, actually current price just reached the previous high area, means that get resistance by the previous high, right? The price is around 30. Now the price is 28. Okay, now the price is 28, so you know it will have resistance. In the long run, the long term, the bank chips around 36%. Okay, 36%. The good thing is no retailer lah. Okay, from the according to the chart, it's just a correction, normal correction by the previous high. So far, the bankers a little bit decreased, but no retailers or low retailers, so still can wait for a long term. Then for short term, we can in the daily chart we can also check the rainbow because to check the direction. In the daily chart, 2 times the bankers more than 50%, but it's not so stable, too volatile, this share. If you do short term, I think you also be careful. Short term strategy, no problem, because the bankers only around average of the bankers, you can check the purple line. Okay, there is a dark purple line. This dark purple line is the bankers average line. So average line is around 26%. So means bankers is very small. Okay, you can make money, but you can make small money. But another thing you need to be careful, the retailers, the green retailers is around 48%. The average also have 21%. Okay, sorry. The average also have 20%, 20% plus. So compared to bankers percentage, actually the retailers chips is bigger. So be careful. Okay, be careful. Then we take a look about the hourly chart. Okay, we take a look about the hourly chart. This is daily chart. And then where is the, okay, 0179. You see hourly chart, the last time to exit is this day. This day is, okay, this day is, when, the time is August 26, 12 o'clock. Last month, end of last month, should the exit because it break down the major line. Major line is very strong support resistant. If you already break down, of course, it's your last time to run. Actually, here already remind you to run as a short-term point. Okay, here is 25th, 25th around 5 o'clock, last month. Later on, if your buy is just rebound, very aggressive, also no bankers. Okay, so you can find a rebound finish, then change a stronger share. It's not kind of a stronger share, not kind of strong share. But for longer term, still have some chance, right? Because it's in this top area. But is it right time for us to do much medium long term? I don't think so, right? Because the whole market is kind of uncertainty a lot. The divergence between the economy and their shares, okay, no matter in Malaysia and the US, all the same. Then how to choose the shares to trade? Okay, how to choose the shares to trade? Actually, before I also trade, I also shared with you. Dark horse filter also always very good. If you're members, you can just filter here. Not every share you can buy, okay? Not every share you can buy, but you can diagnosis because you have the software. You need to analyze, then choose the strong share to trade, okay? After you have this one, and then you can just okay, this is a strong type, means medium short term, the pattern analysis from the pattern price is stronger than the index. And then you can also refilter what kind of the share is with the bankers more than 50%. Okay, so totally, let's see, they are around, I think 125%. 125%. Okay, we double click. We can also save this one. Then do further filtering. If you're members, you can just follow. Extract the one I just saved already. Totally 125, and do further filtering. And then I just took bankers more than 50. And then I further. Okay, so totally, how many of the shares stronger than the index and also have bankers more than 50%? And we go through, we can just filtering here, and then we compare with the what the KLCI. The first window is KLCI, okay, and second window is the strong shares. You just filter, and then we call out the MCD, no problem. Call out MCD. Sorry, not this one. This one, okay. We call out MCD, and you can see, why like this? Okay, hold on. Okay, no problem. Maybe I try again. MCD, where here? Okay, the first window is the KOCI. Second window is the one we just filter out. Okay, we take a look a little bit. So you can see first window KLCR drop and the share increase with more than with the banker tips so much. Okay, so if you want to do short term, you can just, after you filter, you just go to mini chart to waiting for the buy point. For example, 0001, then you open 0001. This is the hourly chart. Hourly chart, you see, later on you just follow. If you have buy point, you can consider to buy here, right? Consider to buy here. They have many shares. Okay, this one also very strong. This one strong, right? Strong. Of course, you can also put the rainbow. You can also put the rainbow here, no problem. So far, I see so many, so many. And you need to do some homework, right? Not every one of them. Okay, after I scan in, I go through all the shares already, around 20 plus shares. Okay, around 20 shares plus. Okay, so you can just to do some homework, very important. Then you can also put the rainbow here, rainbow, check the direction. But you can see this one have bankers, but less than still below the white line. So be careful. But short term, no big problem, right? Short term, no big problem. So you see, when the market weak, still have chance, still have way to find the strong shares. The point is that whether you have the method or not, right? Now only have the class to teach you how to find them. And then software is a very powerful tool to tell you how to find them. So we just go through some of them, no problem. Go to in the chart. You see, all of them are quite okay, right? Quite good share. But I'm not saying that recommend you any share. I'm just trying to share the method. When the market drop is also our good time to filter, right? Filter some good shares, strong shares. See, Malaysia Pacific, also very strong one. All of them is it's different, stronger than the index. You see, so strong, right? This one also strong. I see, so strong one. This is MHC plantations. Yeah, plantations last week. You see the palm oil also, boom, yeah, push up. So you know that he will have a chance. This one also plantation one. This one, green energy, right? This one, just the break of the white line, also plantation one, TH plantation. Have the bankers double confirm, then it's better. Okay, have many. Now we continue to diagnosis, okay? Otherwise the time flies. Yu Wang. Okay. Miss Wang. Mr. Wang. See, you want to check 6 line VS. Okay, VS very strong share. Okay. VS and the Fun group. Okay, we check VS first. Your cycle also medium term, I guess. I remember. Or you switch to short term, but you know VS is very strong one. Yeah, to yeah, I also love this share. I love this share. So it's still quite okay, but I don't know your trading cycle. So recently, many people ask me, okay, how to check whether it's a top area or not? If like this one, today very good, but tomorrow it kind of a drop. How I can get avoid of their job? Okay, job is normal thing. Just be have a good mind, and then to see how deep of the correction. If normal correction is very normal one, but I can also show you a little bit. Actually, I don't want to show much indicator here because uh, complicated is not good thing. I want simple things. Okay, simple things. And but the simple things are before you use the simple indicator, you need to do a lot of work. Like you read a book. Okay, like you read a book. First, you will make read it in details, make it very thing, and then later on when you make a summary is very simple things. Okay, I like these simple things, not the simple things before you read the book. Okay, so you know a lot of homely members they only use one or two strategy enough. Homely got 100 indicators plus, but they only use totally maybe 4 indicators, 5 indicators, because they already read all of them and they know which one is the suitable things for them. So it's very important. Okay, you see the VSR here is the Tai Chi signal. Okay, Tai Chi signal have some risk remain, but if this risk can break out like this time, then no problem. Okay, no problem. If cannot, then be careful. Okay, that's the thing I want to share with you. And other more things I don't want to make you complicated. Yeah. Okay, VS1. So I don't have trading cycle, so I just analyze here. Fund pack, fund pack. The whole trend of the fund pack also no big problem. And we can see the banker chips is around 74%, and recently have some correction, and there's no retailer. So I don't know your entry price, but so far it's a little bit correction, but still safe area. Okay, safe area. And when the prices go sideways here, around sideways from this day, haven't break out new high. Okay, and if the price didn't break down the yellow line, still should be okay, still should be okay. So if you're just chasing high recently, be careful. If you're chasing high recently, we go to the mini chart 5277. 5277, you see they are have some rebound, but it's still below the major line. Okay, if later on it turns to green below the major line, consider to cut loss. Okay, so be careful if you're chasing high, because if you're chasing high, actually here is the sell point. It's Thursday. This Thursday have sell point ready. If you're chasing high. Because if you do long term also have long term buy point. I can show you the trend export. Long term buy point is where I show you again. Okay, long-term buy point. You see here seems have a buy point, but actually recently it's quite sideways. If in sideways, the banker chip, the trend expert is not so sensitive. Okay, it's not so sensitive. Okay, let's keep going. Diagnosis your next share. Here is the way you can share. Okay, you can share. You can diagnosis to share. Send your share code number, entry price, and the trading periods to 01116527962. Okay, let me also check my WhatsApp first. I will check both platform. Okay, have 28 message in my hand for now. Okay. Yes, Lim. So late, still work. Yeah, we just catch the critical, the right time. Yeah, then we talk also, we take off also at the same time, not because of the holiday, not because of what, but because of the market. And yeah, Mr. Han, all in for rebound. Okay, just joking. And okay, Charlie 707070. You do media short term 42. And if you do media short term, actually media short term last September the 3rd have sell point. I have sell point, but we take a look about the daily chart first. Always remember long term first, short term next. you check long term first to know whether you choose a good share. All the things starts with a truth. Truth is better, is more important than trading. If you choose a bad share, no matter how high of your successful rate, you still cannot make much. Okay, this is a V-zone. V-zone. You choose the share middle short term, a big problem because have bankers. Short term because it's still below the white line, no problem. And then the bankers now is around 35%, a little bit drop. I also have some resistance by the white line. And middle short term, I think no big problem. But if you do middle short term, it's your time to sell. Okay, it's your time to sell. September the 3rd. Later on, when you go back to the major line, then can consider to back. The middle short term, I means around 1 week or 2 weeks. Okay, 1 week or 2 weeks. This is your one. And then next one. Susan 0165 XOX. Still have XOX. 32. So I think you get stuck before. Okay, we take a look about here. Before the XOX also have Taiji signal here. Okay, have Taiji signal. So later on, one day break up, but it drop back soon. Banker chips around 38%. Not so strong. You see, not so strong. If you do short term, I think you should have sold off here already. But your entry point is around 32. The price of my mouse is around 32. Okay, so I think you get the wrong entry point. You're a little bit chasing high. Maybe you say that, okay, this day already break previous high. Also break out the yellow line. Can I buy? Okay, I just, okay, like this one. Okay, like this one. Seems okay, right? Yeah, you entry, no problem. But we say nothing is 100%. Next day if drop, you just stop loss. That's all. You will never get trapped if you cut loss. Okay, if you cut loss in time, we allow ourselves. We can allow to lose a little bit, but we cannot let how to say, let ourselves be trapped in the market. If you get trapped, you cannot move. If you lose a little bit, you still can run. Okay, so we can control the we can control, how to say, we cannot control that. We cannot say that we 100% successful rate, but we can always control my lose and avoid be trapped in getting trapped in the market. Okay, so 0165. So then if in short term, your last exit point is just here. Okay, the price you just entry. The exit points here, the price is around 33. Okay, your entry price 32. So you are truly enter chasing high. Okay, later on, if you just buy here, later on, if you didn't cut loss here, here is the second time to exit. The price here is 26%. No, 26. Current price 24. Okay, if you haven't sold it, now it's rebound. And let me zoom out the chart. You see, now the price already have another sell point. Cannot move. Another sell point below the major line. So be careful, Susan. Next one. Don't forget to share this live to your stock friend. Thank you very much. Tech. Okay, Mr. Dew Lee Ho. 0070 MQ Technology buy in 2. So I remember you also trying to do some short term. 0070. So before have very big Tai Chi signal here. Okay, be careful. Later on, rebound, haven't breakout. Still have some retailers here. So you know why? Now the price, their banker chips around 65%. Okay, seems okay, but if short term, then it's good, not good choice. Short term also have sell point recently. I think your entry price is 20. I think just recently. Yeah. Then if you do short term, we see the hourly chart. Hourly chart, okay, is still can keep holding, but the line is very thin. Momentum very weak. Okay, momentum very weak. So if you do short term, then be careful later on when turn to green like this, just cut loss, okay? Just cut loss. But for longer term, seems still okay. But it can only fly after the retailers disappear, okay? Can only fly after it disappeared. So far, it's still in some correction. Okay, we take a look about the comments now. Yeah, happy holiday. Nice sounds, clear. Thank you. Thank you. Support. Okay. As Aristaco 5254. 5254. Not yet buy. Medium short term. You want to buy. Oh, very good one. Very potential one. This share. How you filter out this share? Last Friday, I also talked about this share because got one member already have this one. He want me to diagnosis. You see, very good one. Last Friday, I also say because the bankers keep remains, okay, after the retailers disappear and later on fly. Okay, this day is August the 1st, break out 50%. Okay, the bankers first day. Later on, remain and then fly. Okay, last Friday the bankers are ready for 84%. Last Friday I also said just have a resistance by the white lines. Okay, this is one thing you need to be careful. And we know that if a strong share, if a very strong share, if have resistance, they might also have some sideways. Okay, so if you're ready to buy, we can also go to hourly chart, no problem. 5254 hourly chart now is still increasing. Okay, now it's still increasing, so you can wait the red bar turns to green and then green turns to red. So if you are very, how to say, hurry to buy, you can see this is a 30-minute chart. 30-minute chart, you already turned to green already. Later on, green turn to red, you can consider to buy. But before we buy that, we can see here the price of the white line, the price of the white line. Then we will know about the resistance price. The price in the first white line is around 454. Okay, 454. Current price is 44, and the top price of the white line is 49. Okay, 49, and have another 5 cents. So if it can break up this 49 cents, then it's better. Otherwise, you will choose to sideways first. Okay, sideways first, but the trend, no problem. Okay. Time to protect capital. Yeah, time to be conserved. Time to be calm down. Time to calm down because still have a lot of new investor just chasing high, just jump in. Okay, just be careful. If you don't have a good method, okay, then be careful. Shurin. 0105 Asia Play 0.5 medium term. 0.5 medium term. So far is a little bit correction after see this Tai Chi signal here, okay, Tai Chi signal. And the rebound haven't break out the previous high, still have some retailers, but the trend still okay lah. You see, just have a bigger, how to say, correction. Okay, in this area, so Mm, if you do media term, so I think still okay. But the price you buy, let us see. The price recently is this price is around 53. Around 53. Uh, so far, how to say, media term, we can just check this daily chart, no big problem. And if you can stand, then no big problem. It cannot break down this yellow line. And you can also check this trend expert better. Cannot, your stop loss is just the major line. Okay, if we didn't break down, that should be okay. Make sure you can stand this correction. Otherwise you do short term, because this is also a share haven't break up previous high, and compared to before, you also break down the red lines already. Before the correction just very slightly. Okay, so far it's a little bit deeper, but so far the trend and medium term trend still no big problem. Make sure it didn't break down the major line. Okay. 0105, we also take a look about the hourly chart. Hourly chart so far also okay lah, no big problem. Okay. Climate tin 5161 JCY medium term. JCY medium term. I say okay, we can also see this tight signal already. Be careful. All the things are all the structures. If we just break up the previous regularity, I mean the previous correction regularity, and did hit new high, be careful. Don't easy to average down. Okay, and later on, if we didn't break up the previous high and the drop, you can consider to reduce some portion, even you do long term. This share so far no retailers very good, bankers around 68%, so the trend is still no problem. Okay, hope you can break up this one first faster. Okay, otherwise you don't know. Yeah, because the whole market is also not so good. In the monthly chart, be careful. There is a resistance. Okay, resistance. The resistance is around. The price is around. The price is around how? Mm, 74. Okay, 74. Current price is 76. Okay, 74. You must stable standard above 74. Then should be okay. Otherwise, you just get resistant and might have the risk to draw back. Okay, is from longer term we can see this resistance. This medium term. Okay, medium term, no problem. So far you still can hold, no problem. Okay, that make sure where's your stop loss. Okay, I think you can take this rainbow, the green line. Okay, if we drop the green line, then you can consider to exit. But short term, I think you just follow the hourly chart. Hourly chart, later on you turn to green, then sell. Okay, but if long term, you can set this rainbow line. Okay, the green line. If breakdown, then consider to sell. 0059 from Lee Colson. Bot 21, little bit chasing higher. Here also have the Tai Chi signal. Okay, also have the Tai Chi signal. Be careful. Missing the selling points short term. Friday showed oversold. How possible will rebound? Okay, so oversold. So far this correction, you missed the sell point. So I guess you just bought around here. Okay, your entry point is 21, so I think you bought around here. Okay, around here, miss the sell point, and you want to sell, but now you have oversold already. Okay, have oversold. Okay, good, and you also might get support by the white line. Okay, so far, yes. Tomorrow you just wait, yeah. If you do short term, how can miss the sell point? Okay, if tomorrow, because this is not the last candlestick of the oversold. Oversold sometimes might continue few days. Okay, maybe 3 days, maybe 4 days. So can you stand this oversold continue 3 or 4 days? We make the worst plan. Make the worst plan to do the best preparation. Okay, will you stand? If you say yes, no problem. And then If say no, where is the cut loss? So you can also set the white line as your stop loss. Okay, set the white line as your stop loss price. The price is around 1.8. Okay, 1.8. Because at this time the banker chips also double confirm their bankers decreasing. Now is 27%, right? 27%. Tomorrow, if also have rebound, if it cannot, if still below this half price, then it's still this rebound. If cannot break out this half price of their negative candle, you can also consider to run. Okay, set your stop loss and your price. MODER, modern, moderate, DERNA. US share. Okay. Where's your entry price and your trading form? You tell me. Sireni can. And this share, this is a very strong top area. Be careful. See, 2 times tight signal appeared. Okay. Price drop, bankers decreasing, have so many retailers get stuck. Be careful. Be careful. I don't know you're happy or you yet to buy. Okay, if you don't have, then you can switch to strong shares. Might have rebound, but you see now the retailer is 45%, bankers only 70%. So it's kind of a top area. Be careful. Okay. And the next one, Shafik Rosni. Chart VIS. Yeah, you put the right form. Otherwise, how to diagnose it for you. Considering, okay, Yvonne, Chin, K plus, yeah, both at a 1.7. 1 K plus, 1.7. Should I sell? Should I sell? Yes. No. I'm not answering your question. I'm trying to analyze now. I'm not answering the one. I just talk to myself. Okay, K plus. K plus is a test glove one. Here is a tight signal. So rebound haven't break up this tight signal. Now have some rebound oversold purple color. Actually, I don't want to put too much indicator, but Yvonne, before he said that, hey, you only share very simple indicator, but because this is not for members live only, so you can learn many indicators in members class, but in this open diagnosis, so I just want to make sure everyone clear about their trend, not be in complicated. So we are not share few, maximum 3 or 4. Okay. And I think you do long term because your entry price is 1.7. And we can see to analyze the regularity first before the correction. Never break down the red line, but this time already break down the yellow line and try to break down the before the correction haven't break down the red lines, haven't break down the short-term red lines, but this time is already going to the yellow line. Yellow line is medium short-term, 2 to 3 months period. And now the price is trying to break down the yellow line. Okay, so I think you can just set your cut loss here. Okay, set your cut loss here. If you just break further to this the yellow line, you can actually from here you need to reduce some portion. Okay, because it's kind of become weak. But maybe your questions come in now. The bankers still have 79%. Yes, it still have 79%. But if you can see other one like Supermax and Cosena all become weak. It's not only one glove one, okay, become weak. So my opinion, according to the chart, is that you can consider to reduce some portion. No need to just sell all of them. Okay, and when now because you didn't sell here, then when you break down the yellow line, you can consider to reduce some. But now have oversold signal. Okay, after this oversold, maybe have some rebound. Okay, the rebound finished, you can consider to reduce. Okay, reduce some portion. and then or you just set your cut loss, set your sell point, because some people sell in 3 steps. One just cut half and then sell all. You have your own strategy. You can also set if you are reluctant to sell, but we must listen to the market. Okay, must listen to the market. So far, before you break down the yellow line, okay, the yellow line, you see this caution. You don't want to sell when things come into here. You see, caution already break down the yellow line. And also the bankage is only 46%, right? So before also have this tighter signal. Okay, so yeah, when this rebound finished, you can reduce some. Another time reduce some. And later on, or you just sell all, no problem. Okay, determines your or with your strategy. You should have your own strategy. Okay, here sell also no problem. Okay, then further drop is no matter with you. Yes, math cancel homely software powerful tool. Yeah, many powerful tool. Okay, your homely class have many different class. You can learn a lot. Even you can also learn a lot. Time to take profit for all glove counter from Lucas. Listen to the market. Okay, if the bankers going out is taking the profit, you just follow to take in. Just follow the software. It's not so easy. It's not so hard after we know what happened. The hardy things that reluctantly, okay, the mindset things. Why did this come in my recommendations? You made a video, log. Uh, I don't know. Maybe you have seen my live before, or your friend share up to you. But very happy if you can share this live to your friend. Then I will have more power, energy to share you more diagnosis in the later days, and also upgrade more good program for you. And no matter in English, in Mandarin, English and Malay, I have my assistant can assist me more about the videos. I don't even live in Malaysia, but you can learn some chatting things from this live milk tea. Okay, milk tea, because their technical things is global one. Homely is not only located in Malaysia. Although I have 8 years, but we also have a branch in the US, in Canada, in Singapore, in China, in Korea, yeah, many places. Because the technical things is global one, globalization. So no problem. You can also learn things. Okay, then I will dance for you. Actually, this one I just danced already. 0040 or for I forgot. Sorry. Open this, no problem. Because just now, Khalid Hasif also want to check this share. Media term. He do media term. You also do media term. Your enterprise is a 1.04. His enterprise is a 1. Okay, similar. So you see, their daily chart is okay, right? Trend is okay. Now it's sideways. Oh, I checked already. Just now. Okay, you drag this video back to the start. I already checked this share. Okay. So how about HLT, another healthcare? HLT 0188. Entry point to 175, a little bit high. Should cut loss or can even average down or cut loss? Are you sure you want to average down? It's kind of dangerous. You see the Tai Chi signal, very top here. Okay, and your entry price is a 1.75. 1.75 is around here. Sorry, 175 is around here. So we can see before the correction of HLD is also to the yellow line. Now it's trying to break down the yellow line. So the uptrend regularity is little bit breakdown. We can also draw lines, no problem. We draw lines. This is the first line. Of course, we need to optimize. Okay. Second line. You might say, okay, I just draw the lines. Just draw the lines here. It should be like this. Only 2 lines. Okay, so you see, you say, haven't break down or things can average down. Okay, so things cannot say like that. Okay, this is rainbow line. Now rebound. Okay, this rebound finished. Drop back. Yeah, you have support here. The banker chips around 71%, but there is no stop dropping signal appeared. Now it's oversold. Oversold haven't finished yet. Even you have reasons, okay, want to average down, but no buy point, okay? Before the buy point appeared, cannot. And it might break down, okay? It might break down, okay? It might break down. And wait for the buy point appeared, okay? If the buy point can still above this uptrend line, you can consider. But later on, if the rebound haven't break out the previous high, the first previous high is this one, the second previous high is this one. If cannot break out, just sell, okay? Just sell. And your entry, your trading cycle is also short term, right? Because you didn't write it here. Tafonso, sorry, I don't know how to pronounce your name. Okay, so this is the one, you be careful. If here have stop loss means that tomorrow, okay, I will show you this previous one. If have, okay, here is oversold. Purple, when the chip is purple color, okay. Eh, after it disappear, oversold disappear, later on the price break out the last oversold candle, then you can add, no problem. But after you add, okay, the rebound cannot break up the previous high. So, okay, so yeah, then you can lose less. Okay, lose less because it's one of the glove one. And although the banker chips still have 71%, but more safe, okay, more safe. And if it's a strong share, of course, you will break out the previous high. And then later on break up this one. But if cannot, the rebound finish is your time to sell. But maybe you say that, okay, Maggie, you use the wrong term. Is it rebound? It's not uptrend, it's not downtrend, it's still uptrend. Can use rebound? Okay, maybe I use bounce back. Okay, bounce back is not rebound. Okay, it's still an uptrend to make you more comfortable, right? Because I know you don't want to hear the words to describe the share like rebound, but also be careful. You see, lower high already, lower high already. If this low break down is lower low, then of course it's going to downtrend. We plan the worst, prepare the best, okay? Do the best preparation. So be careful about this one. If we cannot get support and also break down the previous high, I can just cut loss or what instead of average down because the trend is changing. And the next one, HOWA, also like this one, DNS. MK. How to spell your name? Hova. I also like it. I also like it much. It's also vaccine share. And here we have Tai Chi. We call out the rainbow. Still, it's kind of correction. Banker chips is around 77%. So the trend is kind of a correction only. And the short term, you do short term. If you do short term, now is not the best time. Your entry price is 95. Okay, 957619. You short term is not good. Short term, your entry price 95. Is around here. Oh, your entry price is not good. Okay, if you buy before, you should sell earlier. If you buy here, you should sell earlier. So, DNSMK, your entry price got problem. Okay. If you don't have the software, you get the software. Software can always tell you here cannot buy for short term. But this share is still good. Now it's still correction. I like this share. If it cannot break down the yellow line, still have a chance. Why not, right? But if break down, then no game. Okay, then game's over. But it haven't yet, and I like it because before also have some good concept and also related to vaccine. Okay, we have for not so many times 0127 from Damin JHM. Entry point 188, a little bit high, and then short term. Okay, short term. Long term trend, no problem. Now it's kind of sideways. So 0127. Hourly chart now still can consider hold because you will do short term, still can consider to hold. No big problem, but maybe a little bit slowly because hourly chart there's no big bankers here. All yellow one. Okay, all yellow one. No retailer means will not drop. Okay. You can also WhatsApp me because why the time is a little bit late. So here is the way you can diagnosis your share. I can share your code number and the price and your trading period to 01116527962. Okay, I have received many message from my chat, my WhatsApp. Yeah, my WhatsApp. Okay, my WhatsApp. So and one more thing, tomorrow I will not have a live. So, but from Tuesday I will have my 1 p.m. live and my night live in Facebook. 1 p.m. live is still in YouTube. So thanks for your support. Okay, thanks for your support. And now, so can you understand my today's topic already? And right, have you understand about average down and the colors? Be careful about that one. And if you want to dialysis more share, here's the dialysis line. Send your share code number, entry price, and your trading cycle to 01116527963. And the most important thing, hope you can share this live to your friend. If you can benefit a little bit of my video, and I'm also will have more energy to optimize my life after getting support from you and from your sharing. Thank you very much. And you can give me a like and share this video to your friends. Thank you very much and enjoy your weekend and see you Tuesday. Okay, bye bye.
我该如何存在？多少人走着，却困在原地；多少人活着，却如同死去；多少人爱着，却好似分离；多少人笑着。